Deluxe Designer. This device was specially created for designers. It's a quick-access keyboard to improve the efficiency and pace of work. Professional graphic editors use a large number of key combinations. And Deluxe Designer allows designers to get rid of those complex combinations. In addition, the gadget is compatible not only with many popular editors, but can also work with graphic tablets. The device is suitable for performing a variety of tasks, including drawing, editing, and design. Complex and multi-stage consecutive commands can be programmed on one button. And also, the keyboard has a mechanism responsible for scaling, switching between pages, changing brightness, volume, size, and other characteristics. The price of the Deluxe Designer is $69. Move Now. The gadget combines the functions of a fitness tracker and a personal trainer. The Move Now is a small round device with an LED indicator. It goes inside a rubber strap which comes in 2 sizes. Therefore, the tracker can be worn on the arm or on the ankle. Move Now has several modes: monitoring activity during the day, measuring pulse, distance, quantity of calories, training time in free mode, and also preset programs for beginners which help to achieve different goals. This tracker is waterproof, so it can be used even for training in the pool. All dimensions and graphs are displayed in the application available for iOS and Android. And also, Move Now can track the amount and quality of the user's sleep. This fitness tracker costs about $60. Ice Orb. The miniature flying sphere-shaped speaker Ice Orb is able to rise 10 mm in the air while slowly spinning. This is possible thanks to a dock station with powerful magnets, which support the speaker in the air. If the Ice Orb is installed correctly, the 4 indicators of the stabilization system will turn blue and start to smoothly turn the sphere in the air. And the big speakers of the device produce a loud sound. By the way, the location of the speaker doesn't matter, since it's completely autonomous and operates on its own battery. The Ice Orb can also sync with a tablet or smartphone via the NFC or Bluetooth. You can buy this speaker for $130.
Time is fleeting. Wasting time on mounting the phone back and forth on a loose car cradle would be your nightmare. Meet Voltron, the first truly blazing fast wireless charging mount. The one-handed operation lets you stay away from inconvenience. It's really just that effortless. Set and charge, take and go. Thanks to its semi-enclosed frame, together with the elastic backplane structure, even on the bumpiest road, your phone will be steady like a rock. With the newest Key Fast Charge technology, your phone's charging speed will never fall behind the battery consumption while navigating your way. Once arrived, Voltron would alert you when the car turns off. You will never forget the phone again. The replaceable modular design allows the best personality to be added to the car that maximally enhances your driving experience. The fast can't wait. Speed it up with Voltron today.